What extraordinary 2012 Coachella performance led to audience members saying things such as, haunted me in my sleep, I think I might have cried, and I thought I was seeing things?
This is exactly our area.
I asked you what 2012 Coachella performance led viewers to say, haunted me in my sleep, I think I might have cried, and I thought I was seeing things. What did you all put?
Well, we put a real answer and a joke answer. The joke answer was Jimmy Carr. And marginally more lifelike was the Tupac hologram.
Well, the Tupac hologram is absolutely right. It's worth... I'm just gonna break it to Rob. Tupac's dead.
Take a look at what the answer is that we put down. Take a look at the handwriting, Jimmy. Whose handwriting is that?
Tupac
It's
hologram?
Not, it's not Oatie's handwriting, Jimmy. Looks like Bobby's down with them after all.
Wow, he's no idea what he's saying there. If you're in a gang and that's offensive, I'm sorry. Roisin, Rob, did you get this?
Yeah, we got Tupac, didn't we?
Yep.
Well, you all got that right. Yeah, it was Snoop Dogg's performance alongside a hologram of Tupac. Let's take a look at the remarkably lifelike recreation of Tupac in action.
Get ready for the throwdown, the shit's about to go down. Me and Snoop about to clash. I'm losing my religion. I'm vicious on these stool pitches. You might be deep in this game, but you got the rules missing. Bitches get acting like you're savage. They out to get the cabbage. I got
You've got to feel bad for Snoop there, haven't you? Because he's pretty high most of the time. He must have gone, this is weird. I could have sworn that guy was dead.
It'd be annoying if they did your hologram like when you was having a bit of a fat day, wouldn't it? You know, like the end of Christmas.
4th of January, we're doing your hologram. Oh, no.
Jimmy's already cut a deal to do 100 years of hologram touring.